Hey YouTubers, Darren here from Grass Ranch Garage. Hello YouTube, Darren here from Grass Ranch Garage. It's kind of an impromptu video, just giving you guys a little look-see at what I'm doing here in the shop. Well, let's begin. Right now we're working on this Simplicity Sunstar. It's the same thing as the old Dutch Alice 1916, 1918, 1920s, I believe. Pulled the deck off. It looked like the gearbox was leaking oil, but after a closer inspection, there was no oil puddled up, and there was a bunch of grass and leaves underneath the covers around the belt, and they were dry as a bone, and the belt's in really good shape. So I don't think the oil on the deck was from the gearbox, and you guys don't know this yet, but you'll see it in another video. It'll be coming up eventually. But this engine had a bad oil leak from the crank seal behind the PTO. The oil filter was loose, and that oil pressure switch right there was leaking. And I think it was all just running down the front and blowing back on the deck. So that was game plan number one for the day. The owner was actually able to find some really old seals. These are Tecumseh seals for a Peerless gearbox on a Simplicity lawn tractor made by Allis Chalmers, owned by Briggs & Stratton, with a Kohler engine. Can't make this stuff up, guys. And yeah, that's a new workbench and some shelves that haven't been painted yet. I went ahead and hired me a part-timer. He should be here today. Got a bunch of jet ski parts, carburetors mostly. Got one in the ultrasonic. These two here that have already been cleaned, but I'm going to strip all the black paint off of them and repaint them so they look nice. And there's a rebuild kit. And there's another one. And then there's two more in there. So, all I need to do here. That's pretty much it, guys. Just wanted to give you a quick video, let you know what's going on here in the shop. Stay tuned. I put up a new video every Friday at 6 a.m. So I appreciate you all subscribing. I appreciate you all viewing. And as always, I'm Darren with Grass Ranch Garage. Get out there and enjoy your weekend.